Hey there, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Rex here, and I share make money online methods, clickbank methods to make money online. So if you want to watch more videos from me, please like and subscribe so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. So guys, today I'm going to show you a new method that you can make money online for free without doing any of the work. So it's a simple tutorial, and if you take action, you're going to see results with this method. So let's get into the method, guys. So with this method, you're going to be using what is called arbitrage. So you're going to be using Fiverr to make money online, but you are not going to be doing any of the work by yourself. So what you're going to be doing with this is that we are going to be selling logo design services from Fiverr. So let's say you're just going to go to Fiverr and type like logo design. That's it, guys. You're going to search logo design on Fiverr, and you're going to look for logo design services that have high reviews. So you're going to look for services that have good reviews and are selling at a low price. So these ones are a bit pricey, $35, $25. You want something like $10, $15, but it's still of high quality. So let's see, guys. You're just going to put the budget from $10. It's from $10 to $15. Just press enter, and you're going to see the top services on Fiverr that are providing logo design. They're providing logo design from $10 to $15. You're just going to check for the gigs with the highest reviews and the highest ratings. For example, this one have 327 reviews and it has a 4.9 rating. So this guy is providing real value and is providing high quality logo designs on Fiverr. So you're just going to look for any seller that has high reviews and high rating. For example, this one has 401 reviews. These are good sellers. This one has 424 reviews, $15, $10, and this one. Okay, this is one that you want to use, guys. If you find a seller like this guy is selling for $15 and he has up to 1,000 plus reviews. So that is, guys, you can choose any of these sellers with high reviews, and so you know that you're going to get your work done. So for example, once you choose a seller like this, for example, this seller is selling a lot. He has 820 reviews at 4.9 rating, and it's only $10. So you're just going to check, make sure that he has great reviews and people are getting high value from this gig. So that you can see 5-star reviews. Okay, guys, once you find this seller, the next thing you have to do, you have to go to a website called People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a freelancing website just like Fiverr, but a lot of guys are not using this website. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to People Per Hour, and you're going to post this logo design service on Fiverr on People Per Hour. So for example, you're going to buy, if you're buying this service for $10 on Fiverr, you're going to post this service for $30 to $50 on People Per Hour. So for example, if the person if you have a customer that buys this service from you from People Per Hour for $50, you're going to be making $40 profit. You're going to make $40 profit from selling this service on People Per Hour. So you're just going to go and register for a free account. So for example, just click on sign up. You're just going to put your first name, last name, your email address, and your password on this website. Then you're just going to choose on freelancer, since you are going to be providing services on this website. You're going to be providing freelancing services on this website. So for example, if you search here logo design, you're going to see different services of people selling logo design. You can see logo design up to $120 for a logo design, $155 for logo design, $25, $100. This one is not logo design. So that's, guys, you are going to be providing these services for $20, $30 plus. All you have to do is sign up for this website for free. Then you're going to set up a gig at this website to provide logo design services. And one thing you can do, guys, is to go, this method I earlier shared, is to go to a website called SEO Clicks, and you can also get logo designs for cheap. So this website is similar to Fiverr, and you can see logo design. If you just sort by rating to see the top sellers of logo design at this market. So you can see, guys, up to almost 1,000 reviews at $6. So you can buy this service from SEO Clicks, or you can buy it from Fiverr, and you're going to create that gig and sell this same service at people per hour, and you're going to keep the profit. So for example, you can buy this service for $6 and you can still put it here for $15, and you're still going to make profit from it. So the next thing, guys, let me show you guys also another great gig that you can use on people per hour from Fiverr. So with this service is transcription. Just try on Fiverr, like transcribe. Just transcribe. So these are transcription services. These are services that people are going to transcribe video or audio into a PDF or Word format, in a Word format. So you can see, guys, this service on Fiverr is mostly $5. So I'll transcribe your audio video files fast and accurately for $5, and you can see, guys, this person has 130 reviews. So 5-star reviews means that she knows what she's doing. For example, you can see this service $5, and this service is only $5 and up to 1,000 reviews. So this is an opportunity that you can use on people per hour, because this service is more expensive there. So we are going to try type here transcribe, say transcription. Okay, guys, you can see all this service is only $5 on Fiverr, and you can see, guys, this service has up to from $20 upward, $80, $15, $30. All you have to do is set up a gig here. Once someone buys this service from you, you go back to Fiverr, buy this service for $5, and you're going to deliver it for $30, $20, and more on this website. For example, you can see how much sales this person has gotten. So for this service alone, this person has gotten up to 149 sales on this website alone. And you can do this without doing any of the work. Once somebody buys from you at people per hour, all you have to do is go to Fiverr or SEO Clicks. Fiverr or SEO Clicks, buy this service for $5 and deliver this work at $20, $30 plus, and keep the profit. So take action on this, guys, and you're going to make a lot of money if you're going to take action on this. So take action on this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you like this video, found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to get more tutorials from me. And also check my #1way method of making money online in the link in the description. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And one thing I want to tell you guys is to take action. Many people are not taking action. That's why they're not getting results. They're moving from one method to the other. What you have to do is take action on one method, and you're going to see results. So take action on these methods I'm giving you. Take one method and implement it, and you're going to get results with it. You have to implement one method, and once you see the results coming, and you're going to be more motivated, and you're going to take more action. So the main thing is to take action, guys. Take action, and you're going to get results with this. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.